Varik, and A is Abhijit Mishra.
Hello.
And myself, Shishir Kumar Senapati. First, I'd like to introduce and call Ms. Puspanjali to say something about OJT. On the job training, she is going to present you. Please welcome.
Good morning, everyone. My topic is OJT. So, first of all, I want to say the full form of OJT. Anyone of you can say what is the full form of OJT?
On-job training.
That is on the job training, not on job training. It means what? When a trainee is on the job training, means he knows how to deal with the things on his job role, right? How to deal with the things in the job role, he knows in the on the job training. So, what is the importance of on the job training? Anyone of you? What will answer the question? What is the important role of on the job training?
आप बताओ फिर हम क्या बोलेंगे, आप तो बताना है ना, बोलिए हम क्या बोलेंगे।
Okay. Importance of on the job training is it is a very essential part of the training because see according to the guidelines we have 180 hours for on the job training. If we will provide these things, the person, the trainee will get efficient skill to perform. If he will attend 180 hours in the job training, then in his job role he will perform efficiently. Okay, this is the most important thing of on-the-job training. And lastly, what is the procedure? What is the procedure of on-the-job training? So first one is plan. Plan for on-the-job training. Second one is we need to collect the offer letter or confirmation letter from the employer. And what is the duration we need to know. And third one is
Senapati.
completion certificate. And fourth one is verification. In verification we need to know when we are going to visit the field, the trainee is attending in the OJT or not. Okay, what is the duration when he started and what is the end of the on-job training. Okay, whether he is performing well or not. These all things.
Thank you, Puspanjali. Now I'd like to call Mr. Vibhudatta Varik, and he is going to present about training methodologies. So please welcome Vibhudatta Varik.
This one. First thing, training methodology. The first step. जब बच्चे लोग को हम लाते हैं शिक्षा के लिए, तो कौन सा मेथड हम अप्लाई करेंगे उनको कुछ सिखाने के लिए, तो वो सोचना हमको पड़ेगा कैसे बच्चों को मोटिवेट करेंगे, कैसे लाइन अप करेंगे, जो चीज बेसिकली हम उनको देना चाहते हैं वो कैसे समझेंगे। तो हम अभी एक TOT में है, जैसे ट्रेनर ट्रेनिंग ऑफ ट्रेनर्स। तो उसी तरह हम ट्रिपल टी 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 ट्रेनर टू ट्रेनी, that is the basic thing. Between two several path, step wise, first, second, third, fourth. Briefing first, हम जब भी जहां से भी पढ़ के आए हैं, हमको जो नॉलेज है, तो हमको बेसिकली थ्योरी में ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट डालते हैं। उसमें क्या खामियां हैं हम लोगों को अच्छी तरह पता है। तो जब ये 90 डेज का ट्रेनिंग है, तो शॉर्ट टाइम के लिए है, हम बच्चों की ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या देख सकते हैं, वो स्टेप हमको इस बात में डालना चाहिए। फर्स्ट थिंग, इजी एग्जांपल्स। हम क्या सोचते हैं, वो क्या सोचते हैं, बच्चे लोग क्या सोचते हैं, उनको कैसे हम मोटिवेट करेंगे, उनको कैसे लाइन अप करेंगे, जो थिंग हम जो देंगे वो कैसे रिसीव करेंगे। इजी एग्जांपल्स, पिक्चराइजेशन, पजल, डिबेट्स, मेनी ऑफ थिंग्स।
Okay, thank you. Thank you, beautiful Ravi. Now I'd like to add some extra things on this part of training methodology. So अभी हम लोग जो यहाँ पर कर रहे हैं, it's a training program. The basic thing is we are now learning how what is training, how a candidate is trained, is all about that. So training methodology means the training methods, procedures, how we can be trained in a particular trade. That is the part of training. Suppose from last 2 days, from yesterday and today itself, we are training from our seniors, Mr. Yashwant sir and Semester. They are showing different presentations, different they are providing different activities to us, so that we are learning different skills from them and we are also trained from them. So this is a part of training methods, and where we can train ourselves and we can train to our trainees, so that they will get trained. So how a trainer can give the training to the trainee? So training part is that demonstration. How we are going to demonstrate regarding a particular trade by experts, या by lectures, या by facilitator. There are different mode of training. A facilitator just facilitates, just entertains, या just giving mode of training to the trainees. In that case, he will just train and giving information so that the students can be easily get accepted to that particular trade. And the expert, the professional, he will give the maximum amount of information to the trainees, so that the candidates can be easily indulged to that kind of trade, fully expertise on that trade. And this trainer is just to train the trainer in case of any kind of doubts, in case of any kind of information he or she wants to from him, so he can easily ask in the classroom or on-site. Basically, training is offered in two bases. One is on-site and second is classroom training. So whatever we are doing over here is all our basis classroom training. Example, your computer skills, your English class, your soft skills, these are all basic your classroom training. And if you are giving on-site training, that is your, suppose in construction site, yeah, on-site job training. So basically training divides into two parts. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes.
Do you have any kind of doubts regarding the training methodologies? Okay, thank you.